Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add or remove card on Temu. So first step, you simply need to search for the Temu and you need to log in into your account. Once you log in, you simply need to click on you in the bottom and click on this icon on the top right. From here, you need to click on your payment methods. And once you are here, you simply need to click on add a credit or debit card. And here you need to add your card number, your expiry date and your CVV code, and you click on add card. Once you click on that, your card will be shown here. And if your card is shown here, once you add it, you simply need to click on your card, and then you have two options, edit or delete card. Then you simply need to click on delete and your card will be deleted. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.